Hello students, we are going to discuss class 9th chapter, that is motion numericals. So I am going to discuss those numericals. The first question is, an athlete completes one round of a circular track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. What will be the distance covered and the displacement at the end of 2 minutes 20 seconds? See, what they have asked is, an athlete completes round of circular track of diameter 200 meter. See, there is a round of circular diameter, that is 200 meter. Okay, he completes it. Yes, track of diameter 200 meter in 40 seconds. So he completes it in 40 seconds. So if this is the point, say he comes here at 40 seconds. So it is of 200 meter. At 2 minutes 20 seconds, how much is the distance covered? 2 minutes 20 seconds means 2 minutes is 120 plus 20. How much we can say? 140 seconds. So 140 seconds, that means one turn he will do, second turn he will do, third turn he will do, and after that 40 into 3, how I can write this? 40 into 3 plus 20. That means next half turn he will do. That means 200 into 3 plus 200 into 3 plus 20 minutes half, that is 100. 200 into 3 600, 600 plus 100, 700 meter. He will travel in 2 minutes 20 seconds. Okay, so that is how much he will travel. See, I will not write the question and I will write the answer. I will send you all the answers in the notes, so just you have to refer and write the answer. But I will discuss all the questions and answers. I will explain them, because if I start writing one big question and answering that on, so one class there will be only 2 numericals will be solved. So it is too difficult. That is why I explain all the numericals and I will send the answers in the group. So you have to answer from that note. Okay, I will send the reference notes. Second one. So this one I hope you all understood. We'll move forward. So what they have asked? They have asked 2 minutes 20 seconds. Distance covered in 140 seconds. They have asked 200 meter and 100 meter. Okay, distance covered by athlete in one round. See, they have given diameter here. So just we went wrong little bit. So they have given diameter as 200 meter. This is the diameter. So if D is 200 meter, what will be my R? Half of this 100 meter. So the distance covered is one round. That means one round is what? 2 pi r, because circumference of a circle is 2 pi r. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 100. So what we can say? 4,400. 22 to the 44, 00 by 7. So he will complete 3 rounds plus 4,400 by 7 divided by 2, that is 4,400 by 14, you can say. Okay, half of that is R is equal to 100 meter, and half of this, whatever the value we get, half of this. Okay, that we can say 4,400 by 14. If you solve this, you will get the answer, that is how much you will get? You will get answer of 2,200 meter. The answer will be 2,200 meter, because the LCM will be 14, 1 2 okay. So 8800 plus 4400. See here 3 is there. First multiply this. Okay, 3 into 444. And divided by 7 plus 14 will be there. So that we have to multiply 44 into 3, 132, 00. So into 2 means it will be 26400 divided by 14. So if you add this 264 and 44, 268, 308. So 00 is there, that 00 divided by 14. So 14 ones are 14 tens are 140. 14 20s are 280. So 14 22s are. So 2200 meter is the answer. So it covers 2200 meter. I hope everything is clear. ಎಷ್ಟು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? 2200 ಮೀಟರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 1ನೇ ರೌಂಡ್, 2ನೇ ರೌಂಡ್, 3 ರೌಂಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. 3rd ರೌಂಡ್ 3 and half round. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬರ್ತದ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಇದ್ರ ನಡುಬರ್ಕಿನ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್. ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್? ಇಷ್ಟಲ್ಲ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 200 ಮೀಟರ್. ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದು ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಇರೋ ಶಾರ್ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 200 ಮೀಟರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಹೌ ಮಚ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ? ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ 200 ಮೀಟರ್. So I hope this much is clear. We will move for the second question. Joseph jogs from one end A to the other end B of a straight 300 meter road in 2 minutes 30 seconds and then turns around and jogs 100 meter back to point C in another 1 minute. What are Joseph's average speeds and velocities in jogging A from A to B and from A to C? A to B from A to C. What Joseph does? He makes a 300 meter road in 2 minutes 30 seconds. C. A, this is B. So this is how much? 300 meter. He finishes in 20 seconds. 2 minutes 20 seconds. He finishes it in how many seconds? Okay, he finishes it in 2 minutes 30 seconds and then turns around and jogs 100 meter back to the point C in another 1 minute. Okay, see, this is he taking 2 minutes 30 seconds. So again 100 meter he will come back, say at C. He come back at C. That is how much that he covers in. How much he will cover in 1 minute? What are Joseph's average speeds? A to B and A to C. Okay, A to B and A to C. Okay, he this one in 1 minute. So average speed ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. A to B ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ? A to B ಎಷ್ಟದ? 300 meter. 300 meter seconds ಎಷ್ಟಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. 2 minutes 30 seconds means 150 minutes ಆಗ್ತದೆ. 2 minutes 30 seconds means 150 minutes. Sorry, 150 seconds. So 150 seconds story. 300 meter by 150 is 2 meter per second. This is A to B. A to B. A to C ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಬೇಕು. A to C ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. A to C 300 plus 100. Okay, 2 minutes and this one 150 plus 60, 210 seconds ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. This is 400 meter. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? A to C ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, A to B ಮೊದಲು ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾನೆ 300 meter plus 100 meter 400 meter ಆಯ್ತು. ಟೈಮ್ ಮೊದಲು 2 minutes 30 seconds ಅಂದ್ರೆ 150 seconds plus 1 minute ಅಂದ್ರೆ 60 seconds, 210 seconds ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 400 meter divided by 210 seconds. So 00 ಹೋತು 40 by 21 minute per second. So 40 by 21 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1.8 ಅದು ಬರ್ತದೆ. 1.8 or 1.9 we can say. That is meter per second. I hope this is clear. 1.904 ಬರ್ತದೆ. 1.904 meter per second. I hope this one is clear. Any doubts in this? Hope no doubts. So what they have asked still? Average speeds and velocities they have asked. Then we have to find out velocities also. Okay, velocity is also same here. Here it is in a straight line motion. The initial distance and final distance is same in AB. Sorry, A to B. A to B lane ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ velocity is also 2 meter per second. But ಈಚೆ ಕಡೆ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ displacement consider ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾವು. Displacement 200 meter ಇದೆ. Time 3 hour 30 minutes ಅಂದ್ರೆ 210 seconds. That is 0. How much it will? 0.952. 0.952 meter per second. So 0.952 meter per second. I hope this is clear. Yes. Shall we go for the third question? I hope you all are understanding. See, I will send all the answers. No need to worry. Just I will explain here. Just concentrate on explanation. Even don't write any notes today because I will send all these answers in the group. You can refer that notes and write your answers. Okay, just I will explain. Okay, how the answer will coming. That one I will explain. Otherwise, what happens? For every 2 questions there will be 1 video. This is too difficult if it happens so. So there are 10 questions, 5 days will go in only exercise only. That is why we have to at least finish the exercise in 2 videos at least. Okay. So that is, I will go to the question number 3. What is question number 3? Abdul, while driving to school, computes the average speed for his trip to be 20 km per hour. On his return trip along the same route, there is less traffic and the average speed is 30 km per hour. What is the average speed for Abdul's trip? Very easy. Average of other two, see, it is 20 km per hour plus 30 km per hour divided by 2. So answer will be 25 km per hour. 20 30 कुछ रेस्ट आता है 50 आता है divided by 2 अंदर 25. 2 1 225. So 25 kilometer per hour. Clear? Is this clear? 25 kilometer per hour. Shall we go for the question number 4? That is motorboat question. See, 20 km per hour and the total distance we have to consider. Okay. Yes. See, it will not be like that. It is little bit different. See, Abdul is covering from here to here. That distance, let us take S. His speed will be S by 20. While coming again same distance, but speed will be S by 30. So total distance covered is average speed is equal to total distance covered here 2s divided by s by 20 plus s by 30. So if you take LCM, it will be 60. 3s are 2s are 3s plus 2s. That is 2s into 60 will come upper side divided by 5s. Yes, goes 5 1s are 5 12s are 12 2s are 24. So 24 meter per second is the average speed. This way we have to solve, not in normal way. 24 meter per second is the correct answer. 24 meter per second. Okay, shall we move for the 4th question? Sorry, it is not second, it's kilometer per hour I think. So these are in kilometer, right? 20 km per hour, 30 km per hour. That means this will be also in kilometer per hour. See in which unit they have given, that is important. If they are given here 20 meter per second, 30 meter per second, the answer will also be 20 meter per second or 30 meter per second. But here they have given 30 km per hour, 20 km per hour. That means it is 24 kilometer per hour. Okay. So 4th question we are looking at. Shall we go for the 4th question? The fourth question is like a motorboat starting from rest on a lake accelerates in a straight line at a constant rate of 3 meter per second square for 8 seconds. How far does the boat travel during this time? See, starting from rest in the sense initial velocity we have to take 0. What it has done, lake accelerates in a straight line at a constant rate, that is acceleration, that is 3 meter per second. So 3.0 is nothing but 3 meter. 3 is nothing, 3.0 is also same, 3 is also same. For 8 seconds. Time they have given 8 seconds. So they have asked how far does the boat travel during this time. That means they have asked us find out distance travel. So you can easily do S is equal to ut plus half at square. Using this formula you can do. So what is u? 0 into t, whatever it is, it will be 0 plus half. T is 8, let us write. A 3 t square, 8 into 8, 64. So this will be 0, 2 1s are 2 32s are. 0 plus 3 32s are 96. So 96 meter is the answer. So we will get the answer as 96 meter. What is the answer? 96 meter. I hope this one is fine. Okay, shall we go for the fifth question? Yes, the fifth question is like this. A driver of a car traveling at 52 km per hour applies the brakes and accelerates uniformly in the opposite directions. Okay, the car stops in 5 seconds. Another driver going at 3 km per hour, another car applies his brakes slowly and stops in 10 seconds. On the same graph paper, plot the speed versus time graphs for the two cars. Which of the two cars traveled farther after the brakes were applied? Note. Brakes apply ಆದ ಮ್ಯಾಲ ಯಾವ ಕಾರ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಹೋಗ್ಯದ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಹೊಂಟದ? 52 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಕಾರ್, ಈ ಕಾರ್ 52 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟರ್ ಪರ್ ಅವರ್ ಹೊಂಟದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್. ಅನದರ್ ಕಾರ್ applies the brakes and accelerates uniformly in the opposite direction. The car stops in 5 seconds. 5 seconds of car stop ಆಗ್ತದೆ. T is equal to how much? 5 seconds. Okay. So then what is there? Another driver going at 3 km per hour. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಡ್ರೈವರ್ ಅದ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಅದ, 3 km per hour. Okay. ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಸ್ಲೋಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್. ಇದು ಟೈಮ್ ತಗೋತೈತೆ ಎಷ್ಟ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಹೊಂಟದ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಮ್ಯಾಗ 5 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ದಾಗ ಕಾರ್ ಹೊಂಟದ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಹೊಡೆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 10 ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಆನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ವರ್ಸಸ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಟೂ ಕಾರ್ಸ್. ವಿಚ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಕಾರ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರಾವೆಲ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ದರ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈಡ್. ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಇದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು? The graph should be which one? Speed versus time. Okay, speed versus time graph ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. Okay, so ಒಂದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕೋಣ. Speed versus time. This is speed, this is time. So 1 hour ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 hour ಹಿಡಿದ್ರೆ so 10 20 30 40 50. So ಇದು 3 km per hour ಅಂತದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂತು. ಸಾರಿ, 3 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 km per hour. In 1 hour, say this is 1 hour, ಇಷ್ಟು ಕವರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ 1 hour, 3 km per hour. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇದು 52 km per hour. ಸೇಮ್ 1 2 3 4 5 ಇಲ್ಲಿ 52 km per hour. So the distance covered for this is this much, for this is this total. Okay, so if you solve that, okay, so that is car B is there, car A is there. If you solve that, say not this much, you can say in 1 kilometer. This will be our graph. So distance traveled by first car before coming to rest. So before coming to rest, case A, case B. Okay, it reaches 5 seconds. Speed in meter per second we have to make. So let us make it in meter per second. So if I want to make it in meter per second, what I have to do? 5 by 18. So 9, 26, 26 paisa, 130 by 9. So it is 130 by 9 means almost 14. 9 ones are 9, 40, 9 fours are 36, 14.4 meter per second. So this is 3 into 5 by 18, 3 ones are 3 6 are 5 by 6, that is 0.87 meter per second. So you can do here 0.87 and 14.4 meter per second. Okay, you can do like this. So here it is 0.87, 1, that is 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So this is 14. So if I draw the graph here it will take, so it will be one graph and this will be other graph. So here also one triangle, here also one triangle, total triangle. So the total distance covered is given by those triangles. It will be for first 36.11 meter, for second 4.16 meter. So you have to do the formula. So a formula what? Half base into height. That is the total area covered. That is area is equal to half base into height. That is the distance covered. This is also same, half B into H. But it is different triangle. You have to give the name. Say OAB, OAC. So first triangle OAB, second triangle OAC. So if you do like that, you will get 36.11 meter and 4.16 meter. So 36.11 meter and 4.16 meter. For first car you will get, for second car you will get this. So this will cover 36.11 meter, this will cover 4.16 meter after applying the brake. So brake apply ಆದಮೇಲೆ ಇದು 4.16 ಮೀಟರ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, 36.11 ಮೀಟರ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಹೆಂಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ? ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಸಿಗ್ತಾವೆ, ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹಾಕೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಯದ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಡಯಾಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಒಳಗದ, ಇದ್ರೊಳಗದ. ಸೊ ಎರಡು ಗ್ರಾಫನ್ನು ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇದು ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಏನು ಬರ್ತದಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಗ್ರಾಫ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಏರಿಯಾ ಆಫ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನೈತಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ car. Second one ಏನೈತಿ, ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ಡ್ ಬೈ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ car. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಚ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್. ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ನೋ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ದೇರ್. ಇಫ್ ಎನಿ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಸೊ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ನೋ ಇನ್ ವಾಟ್ಸಪ್. ಸೊ ಮೇ ಬಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಪೀಡು ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ನನಗೆ ಅನಿಸಿದ ಮಟ್ಟಿಗೆ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಈಗ ಸ್ಲೋ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತ ಕೂತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ಬಳಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಸೆಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿ 5 to 6 ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಡ್ತಾವೆ. ಸೊ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಸ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ಗೆ ಓದ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತದೆ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೈ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಸಮಸ್ಯೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀನಿ ಇಲ್ಲೇ. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಪರಾಗಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೈನ್. So we'll see the remaining things, that is remaining 5 questions in the next video. Thank you.